welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to build a Lego typewriter using the pieces that you can find with the Lego Classic set 11005. So what we'll need is one 6x8 plate, one 4x6 plate, one 1x4 brick. You will also need 6 1x3 bricks, 2 1x2 technic bricks with the holes. If you can see over there, they have holes inside. There are also these very weird slope pieces, very weird gray slope pieces. Two of the white versions of those weird slope pieces. Four of the 1x3 plates, 2 of the 1x8 tiles, and let's look at piece first. 4 of these 1x2 gray tiles. These pieces, I don't know how they call them, but you need 2 of these pieces. You will also need 10 of these 1x1 circular tiles. You also need like 2 of these red plates with these holes in the bottom. You also need 2 of these, I don't know what they're called. You also need 1 2x2 tan tile. 2 of these 1x4 bricks that have a gap in the middle. These 1x8 lip pieces which attach to those weird 1x4 pieces. A 1x2 plate with a bar. You also need 2 1x1 bricks and 2 1x3 slopes. So let's begin. First thing is you will need this plate. You will need the 6x8 plate. You will need to first attach 2 of these 1x3 bricks on both sides over here. Then you attach 2 more. You attach 2 more over here. Then after that, just gonna attach it first. A little bit tricky because I'm still holding the camera there. Then you attach these the yellow 1x3 bricks, and that's the first step. The second step is to attach the 1x2 technic bricks with the holes in it. So just attach them both on the sides. Then you attach your 1x1 brick over near the 1x2 technic brick. Now you will need to attach 2 of the weird 1x4 bricks with these gaps in the middle. You put a 1x8 tile. Oh, sorry. I just broke off a piece. Just broke off 2 pieces actually. And after that, if you break off a piece, like 2 pieces like me, you just reattach it like what I said earlier, like the way I said it earlier. So then you just attach that plate, the tile actually, 1x8 tile. Then after that, you attach these 1x3 slopes over here on both sides So you attach them on both sides, just like that. Attach on both sides, just like that. Then after that, you put these weird pieces. You just put it on the remaining stud. There. Get another one. Make another one, and like that. Then now we're gonna need these 4 1x3 plates. We're gonna need to attach these plates like this. And when you attach these plates, make sure there's 1 stud on each side. Then after that, you use the remaining 2 plates to attach that stud to this piece. Then you add this 2x2 tan tile right in the middle. Then you attach this 1x2 tile. Then you attach these weird pieces. I don't even know what they're called. The gray ones. These gray pieces. So you just attach them very easily. Where's the other piece? Over here. Attach them like that. Just like so. Then now, we take this aside for now. Then now we have to build the keyboard. So you use this 4x6 plate. Now you take the 3 remaining 1x2 tiles. Then you put the first 2 on each corner over there on the top part. Make sure it's landscape like this. So there. And now we're gonna need to attach this plate right over here. Then like that, we just catch these 1x1 circular tiles. Just like so. Just make sure that you just put them 1x1, like that, very slowly, but surely. Then you attach one last piece. Then you're not actually done with the keyboard. You will need to flip it over and put this plate on the bottom. So make sure that the plate is not, when you attach it, it's not like this because it won't work. It has to be like this. So you attach like that, squeeze, like this. And you know, and that's how you build the keyboard. Then you attach this on the base. Then use these pieces to put it in. You put this piece in the holes. Flip it over. Put it on the other hole. Now you're almost done. You take the lip piece. Then you put it right over here. Now you can see it slides back and forth. Then you get this piece, attach it, and make sure that there are 2 studs on each side when you attach the brick. So if there are 2 studs on each side like that, then you're okay. Then you just, put these pieces over here. And when you build this, it will look like the paper moving back and forth. So after that, you can see it looks like the paper moving back and forth. And the final piece, it has this 1x8 tile. Put it right over there. Now you're done with the Lego typewriter. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.